ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level 2.2.3 Confirmation Testing and Regression Testing. Changes are typically made to a component or a system to either enhance it by adding a new feature or to fix it by removing a defect. Testing should then also include confirmation testing and regression testing. Confirmation testing confirms that the original defect has been successfully fixed. Depending on the risk, one can test the fixed version of the software in several ways, excluding all tests that previously have failed due to the defect, or also by adding new tests to cover any changes that were needed to fix the defect. However, when time or money is short when fixing defects, confirmation testing might be restricted to simply exercising the test steps that should reproduce the failure caused by the defect and checking that the failure does not occur. Regression testing confirms that no adverse consequences have been caused by a change, including a fix that has already been confirmed tested. These adverse consequences could affect the same component where the change was made, other components in the system, or even connected systems. Regression testing may not be restricted to the test object itself, but can also be related to the environment. It is advisable first to perform an impact analysis to recognize the extent of the regression testing. Impact analysis shows which part of the software could be affected. Regression testing suites are run many times, and generally the number of regression test cases will increase with each iteration or release. So regression testing is a strong candidate for automation. Test automation should start early in the project. Where CI is used, such as DevOps, it is good practice to also include automation regression tests. Depending on the situation, this may include regression tests on different test levels. Confirmation testing and/or regression testing for the test object are needed on all test levels if the defects are fixed and/or changes are made on these test levels. If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org